Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your TikTok shop to Shopify, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account and go to the Shopify App Store. Search for TikTok and install the official TikTok app by TikTok Inc. Step 2. After installation, open the TikTok app from your Shopify dashboard and click Connect to log into your TikTok for Business account. Step 3. If prompted, create or connect your TikTok Business Center and link your TikTok shop. Step 4. Sync your product catalog by selecting the products you want to list on TikTok. These will appear directly in your TikTok shop. Step 5. Make sure your shipping, tax, and fulfillment settings in Shopify align with TikTok's requirements. Orders from TikTok will now appear in your Shopify orders. As a tip, double check your product listings to meet TikTok's guidelines and avoid delays in approval. And that's it. You've now linked your TikTok shop to Shopify in under 2 minutes. If this guide helped, give the video a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching.